Good morning students. Yesterday we completed exercise 2C. Today we are going to start revision exercise. Revision exercise means it is the revision of that chapter. Already we completed fraction chapter and you know how to do the questions of that chapter. So from that one different question is given, that is question number 7. Two questions are same only but one question is different. So these three questions I will show how to do today, and the remaining all questions you have to do as homework. This homework you can do whenever you are getting time. That means before the school reopens you have to complete this revision exercise in your classwork notebook or in your maths notebook. Okay, so let us start the first question of question number 7. Question I written here, find the value or simplification question given. Question is 1 by 2 divided by 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 5 minus 6 1 by 2. So as you know, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. That we are doing. 1 1 by 2 means 3 upon 2. Division symbol and bracket is given, that we are putting a bracket. 3 1 by 3 means 10 upon 3 plus 4 1 by 5 means 4 into 5 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 upon 5 and minus symbol we put here also. 6 1 by 2 means 13 by 2. So here in the first step we converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So you know already in simplification question bracket you have to solve. Here bracket, inside the bracket addition is given and subtraction is given and three fractions, all the fractions given unlike fraction is given. So we are finding the LCM of the denominators. Now see the next step. 3 upon 2 we written same division symbol. Inside the bracket we are finding the LCM of 3, 5 and 2. LCM of 3, 5 and 2 is 30. We taken 30. Now we are changing the numerator. 3 into 10, 30. So 10 also should be multiplied by 10. 10 into 10, 100. Plus sign. Here 21 numerator, denominator is 5. 5 into 6, 30. That is a 21 also should be multiplied by 6. 21 into 6, it will become 126. Now this one, 13 upon 2. 2 into 15, 30. So 13 also should be multiplied by 15. See in the rough column. 13 multiplying by 15. 5 3s are 15. 1 remainder. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 1 3s are 3 and 1 1s are 1. Now adding this 5, 9, 1. So after multiplying 13 into 15, you got 195. 195. So here you change the numerator also. Now we are adding the positive numbers, you have to add together and the negative numbers should be subtracted from that. That we are doing in the next step. It is 3 upon 2 divided by, here 100 plus 126, it will become 226 minus 195 upon 30. Now see in the column, 226 minus 195. 6 minus 1, 5 and 12 minus 9, 3. So after subtracting you are getting 31 upon 30. So in the last step you got 3 upon 2 divided by 226 minus 195 upon 30 you got. Now see, after subtracting 226 minus 195 you got 31. So it is 3 upon 2 divided by 31 upon 30. Now brackets we opened here. Now it is division of fraction. Division of fraction, you know, for dividing you have to multiply with the reciprocal of the second fraction. That we are doing here. 3 upon 2 multiplied by 30 upon 31. We taken the reciprocal of this. 31 became numerator and 31 became the denominator and 30 became the numerator. Now you can cancel this one. 2 and 30 you can cancel by 2. Here 1, here 15. Now the remaining numbers you can multiply. 3 into 15, 45. and downside is 1 into 31, that is 31. 45 upon 31, you got the fraction, but this fraction is an improper fraction. So you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction by dividing 45 divided by 31. 31 ones are 31 and the remainder 45 minus 31, 14 upon 31. So the answer of this question is 114 upon 31. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 7, second part. In that also one simplification question is given. 1 7 upon 53 of 1 1 by 5 minus 3 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 3 3 by 4. In this question, 3 brackets are given. Square bracket given, curly bracket given and a small bracket is also given. So first of all, you have to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. That we are doing first. 1 7 upon 53. 53 into 1 53 plus 7 60. So the first fraction we converted, that is 60 upon 53 of we written in the square bracket the first fraction 1 1 by 5. 1 1 by 5 means 6 upon 5 minus symbol curly bracket 3 4 by 5. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 4 19 upon 5 division. In small bracket it is proper fraction given, so we written as it is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 curly bracket closed multiplication 3 3 by 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 upon 4. So in the first step we converted all the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now you have to solve the small bracket. Other fraction we are writing as it is downside. 60 upon 53 of in the square bracket 6 upon 5 minus curly bracket 19 upon 5 divided by in small bracket 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Find the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we taken 6 and this 1 became 3. 1 into 3 3 and plus sign and this one became 2. Bracket close into 15 upon 4. Now 60 upon 53 of square bracket 6 upon 5 minus curly bracket 19 upon 5. Here division divided by 3 plus 2 5. 5 upon 6. Here we open the small bracket. Now curly bracket into here one curly bracket is there into 15 upon 4. Okay, after getting this you have to solve the curly bracket. That we are doing 60 upon 53 of here in square bracket 6 upon 5 minus is there. Inside the curly bracket division is given. Division means you have to multiply with the reciprocal. So we are doing that 19 upon 5 multiplied by 6 upon 5. And the curly bracket closed into 15 upon 4. Now 60 upon 53 of 6 upon 5 minus curly bracket we are opening now. 19 into 6, 9 6 are 54, 5 remainder, 6 1s are 6 plus 5, 11, 114. After multiplying 19 into 6 you are getting 114. Then these numbers also we are multiplying, 5 into 5, 25. Now we open the curly bracket. After opening this multiplication sign and 15 upon 4. Now only one bracket is remaining, square bracket. Inside the square bracket subtraction and multiplication. So first we have to do the multiplication. So it will come like this, 60 upon 53 of in square bracket 6 upon 5 we written, and here we are doing the multiplication. 25 and 15 you can cancel by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, and the same way 114 and 4 you can cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4 and here 5 2s are 10, 57. 57 will come here. Now the subtraction sign we put, we are multiplying this 57 into 3. 7 3s are 21, 2 remainder, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17, 171. After multiplying 57 multiplied by 3, you got 171, and here in the denominator 5 is here and 2 is here. 5 into 2, 10. So multiplication is over. Okay, after getting that, here see the bracket, 6 upon 5 minus 171 upon 10. Fraction subtraction is there, so we are doing the subtraction. 60 upon 53 of, in bracket, 5 and 10 the denominator. We are finding the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM is 10. We are taken LCM 10 and the numerator 6 became 12. 5 2s are 10, so 6 into 2, 12. Minus sign, 171. LCM and denominator both are same. That is why this 171 is not changing. We are 10, 171 only. Now this numerator you have to subtract. 12 minus 171. See, this 171 bigger number is negative. You have to do the subtraction 171 minus 12. And see the step, 60 upon 53 of, after subtracting 171 minus 12, see the rough column, 171 minus 12. Here 11 minus 2, 9, and then it is 6 minus 1, 5, and it is 1. So after doing the subtraction you are getting minus 159 upon 10. Now it is off. Off means multiplication, that we are doing now. 60 upon 53 into minus 159 upon 10. And this 0 you can cancel, and this 53 and 159 you can cancel by 53 itself. 53 ones are 53 and 53 into 3, 159. So now the remaining, in denominator only 1 and 1 is remaining. The numerator you have to multiply 6 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 18, and denominator 1 into 1, 1. So minus 18 upon 1. That means your answer is minus 18. Let me explain the third question of question number 7. Listen carefully. This is another type of question given. Question is given 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. This is the question given. So for getting the answer, we are starting with this one. First we are starting this. Whenever you are doing, no need of putting the circle. This circle just for understanding purpose I am giving here. So first I am solving this one. The other fraction we are writing as it is, that is this one. 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon, here we are doing this. See, 1 plus 1 upon 2. It is addition of fraction. That means this 1 you can change into fraction, then it will become 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. And you know how to solve this. It is fractions addition, 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. You have to find the LCM of 1 and 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 only. That we are doing here. This, it will come 1 plus, here I am giving 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 here. LCM of 1 and 2 we taken, and this numerator will become 2, that is why it will become 2 plus 1. Now we are solving this, okay, and this will become, first one same, 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. Now see, first of all we will solve this one. 1 means fraction you can take as 1 upon 1. 1 upon 3 by 2. You have to take the reciprocal of 3 by 2. It is fractions division. So that we are doing here. Then it will become 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus this one. 1 multiplied by 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2 is 2 by 3. Now we are finding the answer of this one. Then it will be 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 and 3. 2 upon 3. Answer of this 1 into 2 upon 3, it is 2 upon 3. Now we are solving this one. Okay, 1 plus 2 upon 3 we are solving. So here also it is addition of fraction. You have to find the LCM of 3. 1 is 1 upon 1. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3 only. That I am taking directly here. It is 1 plus 1 upon LCM of this one 3. So we taken 3 and here this 1 became 3. 1 into 3, 3 plus 2. Okay, after getting this step, see we are solving this one. It will become now 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3. First we will solve now this one. It is division of fraction. So it became 1 plus 1 multiplied by, we are taking the reciprocal of 5 upon 3. Reciprocal is 3 upon 5. Now solving this, 1 plus sign, 1 into 3 upon 5 is 3 upon 5. Again it is the addition of fraction. Finding the LCM. 1 means 1 upon 1. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So we are taking LCM 5 and this one became 5 and this is same 3. And 5 plus 3 upon 5. So after adding you are getting the answer. 5 plus 3 is 8 and the denominator is 5. It is the answer of this question. Okay, so I solved today 3 questions. Question number 7, the first part, second part and third part I solved. This 3 questions today itself you have to do in the notebook, and from revision exercise remaining 8 questions are there. Question number 1 to 9. These 8 questions you have to do in the notebook. Same notebook you have to do whenever you are getting time, complete it. Anyway, before the school reopens you have to complete the revision exercise of lesson 2. Okay, bye.